Hi friends, once again Ashutosh here, and today I want to discuss a very important topic, that is never lose the battle of life. Today we just seen in news that Sushant Singh Rajput, who is one of the finest actor, he lose his life and committed the suicide. But what I want to convey with you, that never lose your life by just coming under pressure. It's very important. If I give an example what the mean of life or how the life goes, so because I am from the medical field, so I know that I just correlate with the ECG. When you see it have the one peaks and curves, sometimes life goes up, which means in favor of you, and sometimes it goes down, which means the things are not in your favor. What you thinking, what you want to convey with the others, your message, your feelings, they are not in supporting. It doesn't mean that it is not supporting to you, or the somebody is not supporting, somebody is not understanding your feeling. You just go and commit a suicide. It's not a solution. Many times lot of youths are coming this kind of situation and they just committing the situation because of depression. You have to take time for yourself, understand your thoughts. Your thoughts cannot control your life. You should control your life. So mean it, understand it. It's very important. इवन हम तो यही कहते हैं ना कि इफ़ ECG वर्क्स अप एंड डाउन देन इट मीन्स यू आर इन लाइव, यू आर अलाइव, वेयर इज व्हेन इट कम्स इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन इट मीन्स यू आर नॉट अलाइव, यू डेड. तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि ये लाइफ में अप डाउन्स तो आएंगे ही आएंगे. वी शुड टेक केयर अबाउट इट एंड वी शुड अपराइज दैट कि कभी ऊपर आ रहा है तो अच्छी बात है और कभी नीचे जा रहा है तो भी अच्छी बात है. इट्स मे बी मतलब इट्स कुड बी अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ ups and downs. And one more thing which I want to convey, that life is not about you, it's about the many of the people which is connected with you. Why should be that much selfish that if you are under pressure, you are having some emotional setback and you commit such kind of things? You should think about the others also. Maybe some person be inspired by your movies or some your smiles or way you talk or maybe your presentation. Many of you, our friends, those are in Rahul VIP group, in this our community, we are getting inspired by seeing what the way they present, what their smile, what their storytelling skills. So everybody have some skills and everybody have some thing in them which anybody can connect with it. So if you do such, so you are making deprive of this kind of things, to motivating, to connecting with them, getting inspired by them, and you just deprive them by getting this kind of motivation or inspiration from your story, your struggle, your life story. So don't do this. Always keep in the mind, life is coming, bounce back. So bounce back, be happy, stay healthy, and be in connected with touch. Enjoy with the friends, talk with them. Bye, and never lose the battle of life.